Luft 11 is coming to Durham, North Carolina, and I'll be going to check out all of these amazing air-cooled Porsches from 1948 to 1998. This is the first time the event has ever happened on the East Coast. Let's make it a big impact and let's check these amazing Porsches out. Luft in German means air-cooled, and that's what this info is all about, because a lot of the Porsches were built on air-cooled technology up to 1998. The event includes amazing car gatherings, some of the best car culture you can find, community gatherings, art, culture, and it brings all of these amazing cars together. And this is all happening at the historic American Tobacco Campus in Durham, North Carolina. This is going to provide a remarkable backdrop for these legendary Porsches. It's going to feature amazing car displays as if you were in a car art gallery looking at impeccable displays of these Porsches. This is Luft 11, which is the 11th edition of this show. As I mentioned, the first time on the East Coast. I will be going and I will be taking you along with me because I'm gonna give you a view of just me, Jason, the car guy that frankly doesn't even own a Porsche or know a whole lot about them, but I'm gonna walk you through what you can expect and what it's like. I'm gonna be heading out of Maryland, driving a little bit south of Richmond, Virginia in the camper van. I'm gonna be stopping in Richmond, Virginia Friday night, and I'm gonna wake up early Saturday morning to finish my commute of about 2 hours. I'm gonna attend, I'm gonna get access hopefully at 7 a.m. so there won't be too many crowds yet, so I can get some really good video for you and really show you some amazing Porsches. And I'm gonna try to capture this event through my perspective and give you my completely open and honest opinion of Luft 11, the Porsche show, first time happening on the East Coast. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to stay tuned to this. Next Saturday it's happening. It's gonna be an amazing event. Let's go.